Welcome everyone to another POV video. So I am here washing the XRS today since a little bit of salt and stuff is splashed on it, and the next 2 days it's gonna snow and it could be up to 10 inches, 5 on Tuesday, 5 on Wednesday. So I'm gonna wash this car before then so that it doesn't sit in the parking lot with a whole bunch of salt on it. So let's get to it. And there we have it. The XRS has been fully desalted, or I guess in Colorado we use magnesium chloride. So it's been demagged and it's ready to sit for the next week or two while we wait for the upcoming snow to melt. If you want to see the installation of these two Evil Energy oil catch cans into this Corolla XRS, then click over here to check out that video and click over here to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.